We're gonna be talking about the crazy things that have been happening in VR that soon will allow users to earn cold hard cash by just using their Quest headset. So make sure you stick around and let's get right into it. Now recently, virtual reality got a huge hype. And this is mostly thanks to the big company from Facebook that recently changed their name to Meta. And with this big name change, they announced that they are going all in for the virtual reality future. Because they want to create their own Metaverse, where people can be, do, or build anything they want or could ever imagine. But what a lot of people don't know is that they secretly also announced that it will soon be possible to earn money from virtual reality itself. And Meta wants to achieve this by using crypto and NFTs. Now first, to quickly explain what crypto and NFTs are. To start off with crypto, which stands short for cryptocurrency. An example of one of the most famous ones being Bitcoin and Ethereum. And these are basically coins just like any normal currency. And just like any normal type of money, this can be used to buy things with. However, compared to normal payment methods, most cryptos only have a limited amount of supply. And this means that there is only so much to go around with, while normal money gets printed every day, which is called inflation. And because of this, becomes worth less and less over time. While cryptocurrency with its limited supply can actually go up and up in value instead. And crypto is one of the currencies that could be used to buy in-game items. Think for example about skins, levels, or games itself on online stores. And that's where NFT kicks in as well, because NFT stands for non-fungible token. For example, a picture or a video that can be sold also with a limited supply. However, of course it is possible to copy and paste any picture or video on the internet. And this is why a lot of people have struggles wrapping their head around what NFTs could really mean for the future. But maybe the biggest example to understand the potential of NFTs is in gaming itself, because you could sell certain characters or skins or any other in-game items with a limited amount of supply. Now besides this already happening in games right now, people would then also officially own that product itself. And that means they also have the option to sell it again. And that potential becomes huge, because until now, when you spend in-game money, most of it was directly lost. But this could mean you could then also sell it again and even earn money from it as well. And that's not even talking about big events that games can host to hand out cryptocurrency or different NFTs to winners or people playing in general. And Meta already showed off that they are working on this by secretly teasing NFTs and cryptocurrency in their videos. But Meta is not the only company trying to achieve this. Another big example to explain this further is a company called OVR. And what they did is they basically created a map of the whole world and divided it into millions and billions of hexagons. You know, the shape with 6 corners. And all these hexagons are fixed to a certain location, which allows people to buy a digital piece of land in the form of an NFT. But the crazy thing is what you can do with this piece of land. Because besides just selling it or renting it out, you could also build and create virtual reality and augmented reality experiences. So that means you could buy your own piece of digital land and create some crazy experiences on there. That could go from anywhere to art exhibitions to huge parties. And this is very similar to what we see in things like Ready Player One, where people can buy and visit different planets and play games, communicate, and build anything they want or could ever imagine. Now besides that, this could also mean that people could actually earn money from this as well. Besides just participating in games or winning awards in the form of crypto or NFTs, people could start selling and renting out VR and AR spaces as well. But keep in mind that this is all very early. Just like real landowners right now can earn money from selling or renting out houses, in our digital future, where virtual reality and augmented reality become more and more important, it is clear to see that things like advertising or big events could be hosted in this kind of medium. And with big companies like Meta or companies like the example OVR pushing the boundaries of what is possible, you can already start imagining how this future will actually look like. And it won't be long till we can really dive into something like a Metaverse or the Oasis from Ready Player One. Another example of the use of crypto and NFTs in the VR space is how to buy, create, and buy such a piece of land. Because this can also be done by using cryptocurrency itself. That means you could buy and sell your virtual space by using cryptocurrency alone. Now it turns out that Facebook already tried to create their own cryptocurrency before, and this project was called Libra. But because of strict regulations, Facebook was never able to actually make it happen. But now with their big name change to Meta and the boom of NFTs and cryptocurrency in general, I am sure they're gonna be pulling it off sooner than later. So how will it be possible to earn money with virtual reality? Now, using OVR as an example, by using cryptocurrency itself, it is even possible to earn these tokens without having to spend any money. There's already a lot of events going on, like treasure hunts or NFT searches, where it becomes very similar to something like Pokemon Go, where you have to search and locate different NFTs and treasure chests, which then can be used to buy a specific piece of land wherever you want, that you could then build on, rent out, or sell altogether. But that's where the future of NFTs and crypto in VR become limitless. Because this means that it is already possible for people to earn money right now with VR and AR, like the examples we just had. But the thing is that this is only gonna become more and more important in the future, especially with Meta going all in for virtual reality. And it won't be long anymore before they will release their own token and NFT marketplace, with the dream of gamers coming finally true, that it will be possible to earn money by just playing games. And instead of spending all that hard-earned money on some crazy rare skins, you could then also be able to earn money from it. And personally, I think that this is truly gonna become our future. And as a gamer myself, I am truly happy to see this push towards this decentralized market, where gamers could finally be awarded for the hard work they put in. And that's not just talking about those big esports events, where only the best of the best gamers are allowed. Because this is about every single game of the future, every single event, and every single update. Now, if you're also excited about this VR future, then make sure you show it by completely destroying that subscribe button. And I will leave a link in the description below for the example that was used in this video.